Embark is a sacred concept where we have an elixir with our journeys, and there are 31 journeys that I have concocted and created to take us through all of the things and tests and trials and tribulations of life. So Embark number 1 is called Achieve. It's about brain wellness, focus and concentration. Embark number 2 is called Materna. It's about motherhood, pregnancy, becoming a mother. It's the maternity range. Vigor Embark number 3 is the male range. It's a male shaving oil, a male skin oil. It's all about manliness. Number 4, Purge is all about detox, underarm care, getting rid of toxins and addictions. Number 5, Enliven is all about your adrenal glands, winter blues and burnout. Number 6, All Heart, is the emerald of lovemaking, as my friend calls it. It is the happy marriage oil. It's all about connection, commitment, and an amazing intimate lubricant. Composure number 7, the blue pain oil. It's all about inflammation, pain, wintershande, wintersvoete. It's the pain oil. This is DP Top steroids. Number 8, Esteem, is all about cellulite, stretch marks, skin wellness, looking after my skin, having a good esteem. It's an all-over feel-good body elixir when you want to lose weight.